Hi guys, this is Chris from Bungie Cloud Tech. Welcome back. Today we'll see Ansible, how to set up and few commands will guide. So first step one, what we will do, we are taking Ubuntu server. In this sudo apt-get update, first we are updating the packages, and once we done that, sudo apt-get install Ansible -y. Once you execute this command, it will install the Ansible. Then you can see the Ansible hyphen version, Python version. Remember, Python is very much required. If you don't have, you need to install the Python. Once you install the Python and Ansible, you can go into VM etc Ansible host, and in my case I have added this IP in the managed node. Means basic concept of Ansible is it does by push method. So there is no agent is required for configuring this to control machine and the managed nodes. So the IP which I have given, that is of managed node. You can see here. So here what I have done, 172.31.95.50 managed node, and I have given Ansible underscore user EC2 user, and Ansible SSH private key file name I have given aws.pem. You can give your own. So remember, etc Ansible host, you have to make this entry. Once you done this, now come back to ansible.cfg, and you have to disable the prompt of yes. Otherwise what will happen, every time it will ask for, do you want, you remember, right? Whenever you log into any server, it will ask whether SSH yes or not. When you click yes, then you allow. So to disable this, you need to uncomment this host key checking false. Okay, so once you do that, vim aws pem, you can, what you can do is you can copy the complete pem key into the notepad and replace with yours. We'll see some live example. I have here. Okay, so I logged into session. Once I logged in, I have checking here. You can see here Ansible version. Okay, once I done, what I have done is ansible.cfg, and I have made the value false. Okay, once I done that, inventory I have given home, networking, workshop, lab, inventory, host. You can give your own connection time, that is all default. So only inventory file you need to specify. Remember, if you are giving the inventory file default, then /etc etc Ansible host is the default one. If you are specifying inventory file in different location, you need to specify -i. Let's see. So once you've done it, you can see it. I have cat for the inventory host. So here all vars Ansible SSH private key I have declared the pem file, and I have just create router. I mentioned Cisco, and then these are all managed nodes. Okay, what do you by managed node? The node which are going to manage by the Ansible are called managed node. And what is the control node? Control node is a machine through which all managed nodes can be managed. Cisco var. So you can see here how I have configured this file. So once you have done that, you can come here, you can come back Ansible all -list hosts. If you do, it will list all hosts. Here in my case there are 6 hosts, and Ansible -ping, when you do that, it will say success. That means control node is able to communicate with all the managed nodes. So we will try some of the command. Ansible does a rtl-ping -c network underscore CLA. Here I have mentioned the node name. So I'm just doing that. Some backup.yaml I have run, so that YAML file I have run. So this is giving the versions. So once this is done, so what it does is serial number and all these things given, and you can see it has changed. It means already it has run successfully. There is one command in iOS command -s Cisco command, so you can check for this MOTD. So you can see here all those things have been run. The similarly banner also I have changed, and it will send. So these are all ADAC command. ADAC command is nothing but when you are directly writing Ansible and telling the from the control machine, you are writing commands to control the machine, to manage nodes. It will execute without writing playbook. So in the command line itself you have written, so that is called ADAC command. So let's come back. You can see here I run this. So these are the Ansible doc iOS. Let's see here. So you can see here banner.6 and MOTD is message of the day YAML file. So you can see here all these are successful. So that's all, guys. We will cover off more things about Ansible and other things. So stay tuned to subscribe to our channel, like us, and also provide your valuable comments so that we will be motivated. Thank you. Cheers. Bye. This is Krish signing off for Bunsey Cloud Tech. Thank you. Cheers. Bye.